What's up, y'all? This is Big B TV coming at you with another video. As you can see, the last video, B back there took me for a ride. That shit was scary as hell. But this video, I'm finna take him for a ride. So without further ado, let's get right to it.
Ooh. Hell yeah.
Ooh, I got the seat warmers on. Check.
Buckle up.
You gonna maybe buckle, you don't want buckling up.
All I ask is please be careful.
Let me adjust, cause I'm like,
oh yeah, just get everything ready.
Really short.
Get your seat comfortable, pick up the seat, move the mirrors, do whatever you please. Oh, this is so exciting.
are you nervous?
Hell yeah.
I'm nervous. Just a little bit.
What was that? I think it was like roof, roof, roof.
I was like this thing wanna giddy up. That's what it felt like.
So how you liking the drive so far?
I was gonna ask you, how you feeling?
I feel good. I wouldn't say a little scared, but a little frightened.
A little frightened. I like it on this side. This is fun. Tesla did not make my fucking hands shake.
Right?
It's literally like, whenever I was in a Tesla, like there was no thrill, there was no like nothing. It was just going fast, but like you didn't even feel it.
Yeah.
Here, I feel like I'm going fast when the thing is like going at 60.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like it's just.
And this one gives you that giddy up feel, huh?
Yes. It's like scarier. This would be more of like my type of daily car than fucking Tesla.
Oh, is your kind of daily right here?
Oh yeah. You asked me if a Tesla would be my daily. After driving the Mustang, I don't know. I'm gonna get in too much trouble.
What's so funny?
Slow down.
Yeah, because you were
I was
up there.
It's fine.
We ain't gonna say how fast she was going, but she was up there, and yeah, it was fun.
Was it?
Yeah.
gonna conclude today's video. As you see, I took B for a ride along. I was in the driver's seat. How'd you feel?
It felt crazy, I ain't gonna lie. Being the passenger compared to the driver, because I drive this every day and I don't get to sit in the passenger every day, I was kind of like, oh no, I'm gonna be honest, I was kind of like scared a little bit because, you know, this car does get sideways. And I know you felt it get a little bit sideways.
Oh, yeah.
Know? So, yeah, I was kind of scared.
Feels like a staying for real.
Yeah, it does.
Giddy ups.
It does giddy up.
All right, well, y'all saw for yourselves, I scared B. So if you like this video, please make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And we'll see you next video.
Peace.